Gated content is a powerful way to grow your email list and generate high-quality leads. But how do you create and use gated content effectively? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about content gating so you can effectively engage your audience and generate high-quality leads. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. Gated content is simply any type of content that requires your visitors to provide some information, such as their name, email address, or phone number, before they can access it. And while gated content has its pros and cons, when done right, it can make your content more appealing and help you engage with your audience, resulting in better leads. At OptinMonster, we've seen firsthand the incredible power of gated content. For example, look at our case study on Photowebo. They increased conversions by 100% using OptinMonster's content locking feature. And this isn't an isolated case. We have numerous case studies just like this. See the links to OptinMonster.com in the description and read more. While you're there, use the code OMVideos to snag a discount on your purchase of OptinMonster, and you'll be well on your way to adding your name to our long list of success stories. Now let's take a look at some real-world examples of gated content companies have used to engage their audiences and generate leads. Moz, a well-known SEO software company, offers white papers and webinars on topics related to search engine optimization. Users can access these resources by filling out a form, allowing Moz to capture leads in return for providing valuable insights to their audience. Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management platform, publishes industry reports and surveys that provide valuable insights into trends and best practices. These reports are often gated, requiring users to provide their information before accessing the data. Some companies, such as the New York Times, base their entire business model on gated content. For example, they offer non-subscribers a limited number of free articles each month while gating the rest of their premium content behind a paywall for subscribers. These examples illustrate how companies leverage gated content to offer valuable resources, insights, and education in exchange for user information. Just like you wouldn't share your favorite dessert with just anyone, consider gating your most exceptional content. Think of it as a hidden treasure, only accessible to those who truly value it. Deep dives, comprehensive guides, and exclusive events are all great candidates for gating. By offering unique value and in-depth insights, you incentivize users to share their information in exchange for access. Practical tools and templates can be gated as well. In this case, imagine offering a toolbox filled with solutions to your audience's problems. The value exchange is clear: information for tools that make their lives easier. Experimenting with new ideas? Gating content can be a smart move. It allows you to test the waters and gauge the audience's interest before fully committing to a project. Remember, it's all about balance. Offer a mix of gated and free content to cater to different audience types. Ultimately, the decision to gate content boils down to the value you provide and your overall goals. By understanding the when and why of gating, you can unlock a powerful strategy for boosting engagement, building relationships, and achieving your business objectives. Now let's take a look at some best practices for gated content. Before you create gated content, gaining a deep understanding of your target audience is crucial. By understanding their needs and desires, you can create gated content that speaks directly to them and offers solutions they can't find anywhere else. Gated content can be anything from an in-depth ebook to a handy checklist. The key is to pick a format that resonates with your audience and complements the information you're sharing. For some inspiration, check out our blog post with tons of great ideas and examples for lead magnets. Or for a guide on creating your own lead magnet, check out our video on the subject. In today's fast-paced world, attention spans are shorter than ever. You need captivating headlines that promise a clear benefit and a call to action that inspires your visitor to take immediate action. For some inspiration, check out our blog post with tons of great ideas and examples for writing headlines and CTAs that drive action. Provide insights, solutions, and knowledge they can't find elsewhere. Your gated content should be so valuable that people feel they're getting more than what they expected. If you're using an opt-in landing page as the gateway to your content, keep it user-friendly and guide your visitors through the process of accessing your content. If it's confusing and frustrating, people will give up. So keep your opt-in form short and sweet and assure your visitors of the value they'll receive. To learn how to create the perfect opt-in landing page, be sure to check out this blog post. People will only find your content if you tell them about it. Promote your gated content across your marketing channels, social media, email campaigns, and even collaborations with partners. Leverage teasers, snippets, and compelling visuals to create anticipation and drive interest. Testimonials and user reviews are like trust badges for your gated content. When people see others benefiting from it, they're much more likely to want access. Decide how you'll deliver the content. Email works great, and ensure it's a smooth and frictionless experience. Remember, happy treasure hunters are more likely to come back for more. Now that you're armed with these best practices, let's look at how you can put them to use. And for that, there's no better tool than OptinMonster. With OptinMonster, you can create and deploy a gated content campaign in a matter of minutes. Just head over to OptinMonster.com to create your account. Now, to get access to gated content features, you'll need to sign up for a Plus or higher plan. Whether you're using WordPress or just about any other website or e-commerce platform, setup is incredibly simple. Still, if you need assistance, we have tons of resources, from videos to written documentation, or even work with our amazing support team. Once you're set up, log into your account and select Create New Campaign from your OptinMonster dashboard. Now, this is the real beauty of OptinMonster. We have hundreds of ready-to-use playbooks and templates. Just add the copy and colors to match your messaging and branding, and you're ready to go. On the flip side, we also provide the flexibility to create a campaign completely from scratch by selecting Canvas. We'll need to use the inline campaign type to create a gated content campaign. You could use any of these templates to create your campaign. Select Preview to see a preview of the campaign, or select Use Template to start editing. But I'll search for gated content, and then select the Unlock Gated Content template. Editing is as simple as point and click. Click the element you want to edit, such as the image or button, and your editing options will update on the left. Text editing is done in line. Simply point and click to the text box you want to edit and start typing. OptinMonster even has an AI integration that will help you write. Click the Smart Optimization button to optimize any text box in your campaign. When you're finished editing your campaign, the next step is to activate the Content Lock feature. Simply head over to the display rules and enable content logging in the Actions tab. With content locking, you can blur the content below the campaign or remove it entirely. You also have the option to enable attention activation, which will draw attention to your campaign as the visitor scrolls down the page. From there, all that's left is to publish your campaign and embed it on your site. The WordPress plugin makes this step effortless. Simply decide what content you want to turn into gated content, and you're good to go. OptinMonster integrates with just about every email marketing platform, so when your visitors opt in to unlock your content, their information is sent directly to your preferred platform. Gated content is the key to engaging your audience and generating high-quality leads. It involves balancing exclusive offerings and catering to diverse audience preferences. Armed with the best practices outlined in this video, you can maximize the impact of your gated content. And when you use a tool like OptinMonster, it's easy to create and deploy gated content campaigns. With integration into various email marketing platforms, OptinMonster turns your strategy into a well-oiled lead generation machine. Now, I want to hear from you. What type of content would you consider gating to capture high-quality leads for your business? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.